Okay, so continuing with this lab, we have now that our status is available. So we're going to scroll down and I was told to copy this link and paste it inside of a text editor and that we will be using that later. So I'll have that and that moves us on to task 4, which is to interact with our database. So in this task, I will open a web application running on a web that has been a web server that has been created for me, and I will configure it to use the database that I created. So to discover the web server IP address, we want to choose on the AWS details. I always get so lost in here. Hmm. Above these instructions. It's in the instructions. Sorry. So the oh, here. Copy the IP address. Um, IP address. What one is it? Um, Pause. Sorry. Okay, so it took just a little thinking, but I think that that is a web server ID. So I'm supposed to copy that, which I did, and paste it somewhere. Okay, so um, the web application should be displayed, which it is, showing information about the EC2 instance. So we see um, install the value and the availability zone. And it said to choose the RDS link at the top of the page here. And here, I guess we can now configure the application to connect to my database. So they have the configurations for us that I'm just going to type in. I am so dumb. Copy and paste the link that I saved in the text editor. Okay. Lab main lab password. Submit. No. So it said that a message will appear that explains that the application is running a command to copy information to the database. So after a few seconds, we see that the application will display an address book, which it does. And basically the address book application is using the RDS database to store information. And we can test the web application by adding, editing, and removing contacts to, in the data, in the in the database. Um, and the data will be persisted to the database and is automatically replicated to the second availability zone. So you can see that here at edit, remove. Oh, but yeah, that was basically it for that lab. Thank you.